everyone. Yes, so today's I would love to give all of you, especially for moms, one self-bow healing, self-bow meditation to support us or to encourage moms speak our truth and to help us get the ability to express ourselves fully, openly, with the whole of ourselves. And speak well. What this means when we speak our truth, it means we can we say what we mean and we mean what we say. So listen to your inner voice. Today let's tune into the sound of the bow and connect back with your inner voice. Connect back with the truth of yourself, with your honesty. Listen to your body, listen to your heart, to your mind. What's happening is really is your body and your mind, and then connect. And now slowly settle down on the ground or on your bed if you want. With our throat chakra, so let's start to bring the humming and feel. You can also bring your palm in front of your throat and feel the humming, the hums from your throat. And it's really will open up our ability to connect back with our honesty and encourage us to speak our truth. Now one more time, deep inhale and exhale. Certain parts of ourselves, such as fear or uncertainty, or unconfident, we tend to suppress our emotion on the back or on the neck and shoulder regions. So that's why it's also related to our throat chakra in this region. And to gain back the ability to connect back with our true self, we should listen to our inner voice, learn to listen, learn to accept, learn to express. Notice the vibrations from the throat chakra and connect resonance with your vibration, with your own heartbeat, with your own truth, with your authenticity, with your self-identity. Just allow yourself, allow your body, your mind to speak your truth from what you mean, from what you think. Build your confidence in the communication. Open up the ability to accept and reveal yourself in the way you want, One more time, notice, observe, and connect. flow with the self-healing, with the self of the both. The vibration of the both. Now keep touching from your throat and say an affirmations for your body and your mind. I am speaking the truth. I choose to speak the truth. I choose to show my authentic self. I choose to speak what I mean. I am speaking what I think. I am allowing myself to speak openly and freely. Speak and repeat this mantra every day in the morning of your day to resonate and tune into the vibration of your body and connect back with your throat chakra. Bring it back to the harmony. Bring it back in aligned with your body and your mind. Now one more time, I will place one more time the sound, and then you just slowly repeat one more time your favorite affirmations for this heart, for the throat chakra, reconnecting to reconnect with your true self, reconnect with your authenticity, reconnect with your honesty, and reconnect with your truth. Now slowly to close your eyes and choose your favorite affirmation. palm is front of your throat. And feel the openness, feel the expansions of your throat, feel the energies, feel the vibration that you are just being activates from the vibration of the sound of the bows. And now just reconnect back with your true self. Just allow yourself to express your truth and allow yourself to open. Speak your truth, speak what you think openly and freely. And I hope you enjoyed the South Pole healing meditation today. And I wish to see you guys on the next day. Namaste.